Hi, welcome to this Growth Enabling Moments. I am Ganesh Babu from Winning Mind Solutions. Having worked with more than hundreds of small and emerging organizations, one common pattern I find in most of the organization is that the business head or CEO is almost busy in managing day-to-day priorities like managing the delivery issues, managing the customers, managing the cash flow, or managing the people and so on. In this process, what happens is he is not getting full clarity about where the business is going on and is not able to take a decision on a timely basis in some of the areas. When this business practices continues for a longer duration, say 1 year or even 2, the business profitability and growth is almost stagnant or the organization struggling on those aspects. The reason is somewhere there is a lack of structured process to look at the business in a holistic way from business head point of view. To overcome that problem, I am going to give 3 recommendations to you, in fact which I have implemented in some of my client organization and it worked very well and they got benefited. I am going to give my recommendation as a business ritual which you as a business head or CEO you supposed to do in the beginning of every month, say between 5th to 10th of every month you supposed to do as a ritual. The first ritual I recommend is do your profit and loss analysis every month of previous month activity. When I am saying P&L analysis, it's not just for a statutory requirement, it is mainly for understanding your operational effectiveness. When you are doing the P&L analysis every month, you will be getting 2 benefits. One is every month he will do the analysis why the profitability is going up and what product mix or customer mix contributing to the profitability and what are the expenses are going up or down which is affecting your profitability. You will come to know that. Second benefit you will get when you are doing the P&L analysis in your organization is over a period of time you will get a trend of your expenses. There you will spot some of the cost optimization projects. Then you can drive your cost saving projects in your organization. To sum up, when you are doing the P&L analysis, you will get a clarity about your cost structure, customer mix, product mix and the expenses and profitability as a whole. And you will get a clarity about where you need to focus on either on product mix or on the cost optimization drive. You will get some clarity about on the profitability part. The second ritual I will recommend to you is do your business performance review of the previous month along with your team. When I am saying business performance review, it is purely business perspective. Like you need to review your sales target, profitability, plan versus actual of your delivery commitments, customer complaints, internal issues on inventory, people engagement aspects and even your cash flow requirements and where you have done well or where you have not done well. All the things you are reviewing along with your team. You will get 2 benefits when you are doing along with your team. One is you come to know what is happening in your organization in a holistic way. You will come to know where you have to focus to improve those opportunity area. Second, since you are involving your team, engagement will improve. Because team knows what they are doing good or what they are not doing good. That will improve their expectation, that will improve their engagement in your organization. The third ritual I will recommend to you is do the planning process for the current month. When I am saying planning, it encompasses everything in terms of what you want to achieve in terms of sales number, profitability forecasting, and your raw material planning, your cash flow planning, your inventory planning, or even the capacity planning, everything there. And what is your new product development plan, everything. All the things you are articulating and discussing with your team. Again, you are going to get two benefits when you are doing this planning process. One is you are setting the direction to your team and you are making your team very clear on the expectation. That will improve their accountability, that will improve the engagement in the organization. Second, since you are doing the planning process, you will come to know what and all your priorities, where and all you need to focus. When you sit together along with the team, when you are making a planning, you are very clear where you need to focus on high value items, like going to the customer and asking for more orders, or working on some long-term projects, or taking some initiatives. Those priorities you will get clarity when you are doing the planning process. So in nutshell, when you are doing all three rituals every month consistently, you will get holistic view about your business. You will come to know where you are supposed to take decision on a timely basis, and more than that, you will get lot of personal time for yourself. That is the benefit you will get. When I implement this in some of my client organization, one of the feedback people used to give is their personal efficiency is improving. They get lot of time for something else. That is the biggest benefit you will get when you do this consistently every month. But the flip side is, when I am suggesting this recommendation, immediately some of the CEOs or business head used to react like this. We cannot get all the bills and invoices between 5th and 10th. It will take time in our organization. And customer will come, we need to go and meet the customer. I will have some travel plan. It is very difficult to mobilize the team in the beginning of the month. All the things people used to say this. According to me, these are all excuses. If you want to improve your business profitability and growth, if you want to get a clarity about your business, then you have to make some cutoff for all the activities, and you need to ensure you are giving time for these important rituals in your organization. When you are doing these three rituals consistently every month, over a period of time, say within a year time, your business will be in a right track, because you are getting on the focused area. You know where the business is heading. When you know at the right time, you will take a right decision. That is what is the benefit of when you are taking this ritual very seriously and implementing in your organization consistently there. Hope you got some insight from this growth enabling moments. If you have any comments, please give your comments in the comment section. Let us see you soon. Thank you so much for listening this.